jump on them and them up. Some of them, I'm jump on them and them up. Some of them. They know me as the trigger. They catch on me villa. And in the want to shoot the devils down in the pillar. They hope you tricky killer. Don't know say that risk killer. None of them and we understood about that Chinese law. They make it and they focus on the mission and they do it. Some of them are the Senegal. Get them and they pass.
Anyone in a place tonight, you don't wanna be a witness, then walk away. Cause I'm a soldier that love to fight, and anyone in my past will die today by my AK. Gunshot, AK. Gunshot, AK. Gunshot, AK. Gunshot. Have you ever spent one day on my block? Had to make good with crooked ass cops. Witness innocent bystanders get shot. Made a living ready or not.
All right, easy beat, you wicked, you bad, you are unrighteous, you are something, Lord. Oh boy, you don't remind me of those days.
I'm telling you.
That year, oh boy, that
really?
oh boy, you daddy. Hey, all right. How on our day, we welcome everybody on top this better day. We say welcome to all of now on top the late night show here on top Wazobia TV. How on our day, how every you see me and my beautiful bar and everything just did very all right. As the show they go on, we're going to touch some kind things for you. Don't feel free to make your own order because it be like this now. Things don't happen already before the show starts. All right, so we welcome all of now again on top the late night show here on top of Wazobia TV. My name, my humble name, Ogbolor, you know, like the chicks that they call me, Ogby baby, you know what I'm saying? Duh, you know. Please don't make me blush. Okay, today now the hustle day. Everything we will do today concerns hustle. And you know, like we always tell people, say, look, you must trick your hand inside something where they bring you different kind of bar. All right? If you know if you work for a person, at least make you create your own job by yourself and by yourself and yourself alone. Be your own employer on top of the level because they encourage many people from about the world. So say, make you do all this kind of level. All right, but still, we still get the baddest DJ in the house. DJ Easy Beat on the wheels of steel. They're doing things. All right, no. Nobody this piece you do yourself like this. So what's it be on this one now? You do like this. You be a Awolowo.
Okay.
What's wrong with you? Wait, now what can you do now? Back to you too. All right, so today we get many things. We get one correct baby one thing where they do her own job. Now she organize her own thing. She go to can inside something when now men originally they do them. But she said because on top of the matter, what thing men they do, women feel do them better. So she go to her hand inside every. Entire every concern shoemaking. And we'll see her today. Her name Michelle, she go join me on top of the show today to talk about how she takes start and every. Not the normal kind of interview and every, but today Michelle go follow us talk how she enter the shoemaking business. P-Prance supposed to join us here today. P-Prance, the person where they make clothes, the guy look reason clothes. He say, man, he want to do something different. He's supposed to join us for the show today, but more you see how the whole thing go. He never to take call me, say, let's say they hold up or something. But all the same, now Lagos we day. All right, so we go see do the cocoa of the day where we'll give now the gist for today. Tomorrow, now go let us know every on top of that particular matter and every other thing. Before the show finish, we get battle one kind of sweet game we go do on board. So now a better show we go get today on top of the show. So no go anywhere. Make sure say you tell person say the late night show don't start today on top Wazobia TV. So Easy Beat, quickly. Wanna say join us on top Twitter, Easy Beat. Wanna join us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. At W Late Night Show. Go there, go follow us word. Alright, so Easy Beat, take them away. The show don't start now. Hey!